Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of vocabulary with the word await. It's a C1 level verb meaning to wait for something. So, await means to expect or wait for someone or something with anticipation. It's often used in a more formal context than just wait. For example, instead of saying, I wait for the bus, you might say, I await the arrival of the bus, giving it a slightly more sophisticated tone. Let's explore some synonyms. We have expect, for example. We expect to hear back from them soon. Another synonym is anticipate, as in she anticipates their visit next week. Now let's look at antonyms. One antonym could be dismiss, as in she dismissed the thought completely. Another antonym is ignore, like he chose to ignore the letter. You might hear await in everyday expressions such as we await your reply, which is common in professional settings, or she awaits the opportunity, suggesting she's eager for something. Let's put it into some more example sentences. We are awaiting the results of the test. They await the decision with bated breath. The package is awaiting collection at the post office. Think about these examples. Next time you use the word wait, you could upgrade to await. So, to summarize today, we've explored the word await, a C1 level verb meaning to wait for something. We saw how it differs slightly from a simple wait, looked at synonyms like expect and anticipate, and contrasting antonyms such as dismiss and ignore. We also explored its common usage and different ways it could be employed. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show and learn along with us. We also want to see how you are using await. So, please share a sentence you've created using await in the comments section below.